Ooh, that sun is bright. Oh yeah, don't want to go that way. Anyway, yeah, this is Eric with Auto Replay back again. I went ahead and placed the order for the rust seal. Did some research on kind of rust prevention and everything like that. And my little daughter's over here about to roll down the road. But just want to say that you know, I got a sample pack. It's got like a cleaner and a preventer and an actual concealer, so it should be pretty good. And we're going to just test it out in the area and just see how it does, you know, and go from there. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and get all these carpets cleaned. Probably start working on the actual electrical connectors, and for the ABS, you know, side crash sensors, getting those already ready, and getting all the foam and everything cleaned out too. So all that's ready too. So you know, that's what I'm going to work on this video. So y'all want to see something, let me know. So I went to Dollar Tree, got this totally awesome, man, cleaners like $1. This one actually, the refill is 32 fluid ounces. The one with the actual sprayed nozzle comes in 20 ounces, you know. Got the sprayed nozzle, man. So this thing works awesome, man. You get this, a scrub brush, good to go. So I'm gonna take it, shoot this thing down real good like this, and let this thing sit for a little bit. I'm gonna go get the carpet, do the same thing. There you go, Ariana. You're gonna push that little dump truck, aren't you? Work them little legs out. Where you going? So basically got this carpet here. Man, do the same thing, dude. I'm gonna hit this joker real hard because this thing is dirty, especially in these little areas here. I'm just gonna just soak it, dude. And I'm gonna go scrub it and hit everything else pretty light, you know. And then I'm gonna do the top. And I'm gonna do this bottom because that's where it's serious right there. I may just take that foam off. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this clean, man. While I'm waiting on this doggone rust whatever seal or whatever it is. I may have to do something else. I gotta change it up, man. I can't be doing the same thing every day. That shit drive me crazy. So that's what I'm working on. Shoot, I'll take this, take the other bottles, and I'll just put it directly on there. But yeah, this stuff is serious, dude. So go ahead and get all this. I'm gonna start scrubbing this one down, and then we'll go from there. So basically, got a little scrub brush like this right here, a little soft one, like $1, man. See that? Just take that, and that clean all that up. Be like brand new. So I'm just go the whole thing. Yeah. All right. Yeah, come on. So after scrubbing it, man, just take it. Just rinse it off, dude, and get everything clean. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it won't be like brand new, but it's gonna look a lot better than it was before. You know, wipe this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Show y'all what the end's gonna be looking like. Get all this wet right here. I'm gonna let this sit out in the sun tomorrow while I'm going to work, and then it'll come back. It'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this ready. See, it's starting to set up right there already. And I definitely need to do the bottom of it. That's the main thing. That's probably got years of dirt all in it. So I scrub this thing, man. I'm soaking this thing wet. I'm gonna scrub it again. You can see all the dirt coming up. And then I'm gonna let it dry and then probably do it a second time because this thing's dirty, especially with the rust spot. It's even got a paper clip stuck in it. So yeah, we're gonna see what it does. This thing got a doggone paper clip stuck right here. See that? Been embedded in the carpet. I'm gonna get that out somehow. So here's the end result of the first cleaning. I mean, it came out pretty good. There's still a little staining along this ridge line right there. But I mean, for the most part, it's pretty clean. Even this paper clip, you know, it's kind of hard to see, but that came out almost all the way. I really got to look at the bottom of it though. That's going to be the telltale sign where all this foam is. I think I'm just going to rip all this foam off and kind of redo it. But I'm going to try to clean it first because This is the part that's really pretty bad. So I'll probably end up getting like some actual foam. It's like white foam up in there. I'll probably cut all this out. Cut all this out right here and re-spray some spray foam in there. So we'll see about that. So here's the carpet. It's been sitting out outside all day drying while I've been at work. And oh yeah, she's dry. Got a couple little wet spots, but for the most part she is dry. Probably gonna flip it and get rid of that foam. May look at seeing if I could dye this some black paint or something. There's a couple of areas got to go back over, but you probably won't see all that stuff anyway, but it is clean, that's for sure. So catch y'all on the next one. So Larry just got home, opened up the package, and I got my side airbag crash sensors, and the dude is so nice to give me the actual connector with the wiring. So I'll try to clean the connector. If not, I'll just splice it into the system. Be good to go. See this coming up in a new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the rest of these pieces that were underneath the seat anyway, and get them all clean, man. Go ahead, get them pre-treating, and go ahead, scrub them down, get them clean, get the other piece, and go. So after everything's said and done, looks like even the front where the foam is a little bit more worse than I thought. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, I went and ripped all this out, and then it goes pretty far up in there, man. Like the surface rust for sure. I mean, I didn't think it went that far, but it is pretty far, further than I thought. I'm probably just gonna scuff it all up, man. Use this rust seal, then just throw it all back together.